determine the equation of a line. So again, I want the equation in the form y equals mx plus b that has the same slope, that has a slope of negative 1 over 3 and has the same y-intercept as this line. It has the same y-intercept as this equation, right, as this equation, but we need to figure out, well, what is the y-intercept of that equation? It's not in slope-intercept form. So we have to rearrange it. What are we trying to isolate if we're rearranging this equation? Good. So I want you to rearrange this equation to isolate y. Once you do that, then you can figure out what the y-intercept of that equation is. So negative 4y equals negative 2x minus 7. Raise your hand if you had that. And then we divide by negative 4. Good. Divide everything by negative 4. So y equals 2 over 4. Simplify it. X plus or minus plus 7 over 4. Good. The question said, find an equation of a line that has a slope of negative 1 over 3 and a y-intercept that's the same as this equation. Well, what's the y-intercept of this equation now that we've rearranged it? What's the y-intercept? Ethan? Positive 7 over 4. Okay? So we're writing an equation that has a slope of negative 1 over 3 and a y-intercept of 7 over 4. What's the equation? Perfect. Y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 7 over 4.